to all. So, in previous lecture, we are discussing ammonium fluoride and the other properties we discussed it. So, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the next move of second thing is that phosphorus fertilizer. So, in the nitrate ammonium phosphate, then after the second thing is that uh, phosphorus uh, fertilizer. So let's start. Phosphorus in chemical form and its many product is derived from commercial deposit of phosphate rock in the mineral from the fluorapatite. And the chemical formula is Ca10PO4 6 times of F2. Okay, so which is known as a fluorapatite. Major product of fully developed phosphate industries are phosphorus. Second one is phosphoric acid. Third one is ammonium phosphate. Fourth is calcium phosphate, nitrophosphate, sodium phosphate, and organic phosphate. So these are the largely as a fertilizer. Okay, they can be produced in the industry, in the commercial industries, and in terms of a large scale of production. So which consumption patterns can be taken as a, so the consumption pattern is the phosphorus industries of India is presently nearly up to 100 percentage of to fertilizer planning and production. Indiaની અંદર 100% production આનું થતું હોય થાય છે. That means the requirement of fertilizer is fulfilled by the India only. There is no need to the um, import from the other countries. Consequently, it has grown the same price as nitrogen industries. Okay, so these are the basic information about the phosphate and how it can be conserved. So this is the reverse of phosphate ores in tonsમાં. પછી वर्ल्ड ऑफ फॉस्फेट और प्रोडक्शन, इसके अंदर कौन सा कंट्री कितना प्रोडक्ट कर रहा है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. दिस आर द phosphorus. Phosphorus, that is P4. So the chemical properties of phosphorus component. So it can be first, it is yellowish phosphorus which is in color and which is chemical formula is P4 phosphorus. Molecular weight of phosphorus. Molecular weight of phosphorus is uh, molecular weight is 123.9. Melting point is 44.1 degrees Celsius and boiling point is 280 degrees Celsius. And the density is gram per centimeter cube, and which is for different for the solid, liquid, and other specified states. So for the solid, the density of phosphorus component is 1.82 gram per centimeter cube, and for specific for the liquids, it having a 1.74 at 45 degrees Celsius. Okay, if you are increasing or decreasing the temperature range, so the density should be changed with respect to temperature. Okay, now ignites spontaneously in air must be stored under the water. Ignite spontaneously in air should be most you have to store under the water process, and the process is disagreeable odor with extremely toxicity. That means it having a toxic gas. Then second one is, first one is yellowish phosphorus and second one is uh, red phosphate. Okay, So red phosphate, it having a molecular weight is 123.9, melting point 593 degrees Celsius, and density of solid is 2.36 gram per centimeter cube. So which exists in at least 6 different crystal modifications formed by heating yellows for phosphorus to give high and resistance and stability. એટલે કે શું કરવામાં આવે છે, યલોઇસ ફોસ્ફરસ છે એને હીટિંગ અને હીટિંગ આપવામાં આવે છે, જેનાથી યલો કલરમાંથી એ રેડ કલરમાં કન્વર્ટ થઈ જાય છે અને ડિગ્રી ઓફ ઓક્સિડેશન વધી જાય છે, બરાબર, જેનાથી તેની સ્ટેબિલિટી અને રેઝિસ્ટન્સ છે એ વધી જાય છે. Second thing is consumption pattern. Approximately 18 to 20% of phosphate rock processed in US is initially converted to elementary phosphorus. So the principal derivatives of phosphorus is high purified phosphoric acid. Okay, that means approximately 18 to 20% of phosphorus rock processed in the US is initially converted into elementary phosphorus. The principal derivatives of phosphorus is highly pure, and a whole range of concentrations from 50% of aqueous solutions grade up to superphosphoric acid. It is 85% of P2O5 is equal to 100% of H3PO4. Plus free 11.11% of P2O5. This acid go largely to the food and detergent industries. This will be used in the food as well as detergent industries. So 2.1 is said that end uses of phosphorus element in USA. So phosphoric acid H3PO4, which is phosphoric acid, okay, H3PO4, phosphoric acid, high purity and strength for detergent and food chemicals, which is used 90% consumptions. Phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus oxochloride, which is in 3%, and phosphorus trichloride also, oxychloride, trichloride, it having a 3%, and then phosphorus pentoxide and red phosphorus for matches and otherwise, that is 4%. Okay. Now the important thing is for a phosphorus manufacturing is that first method of production, કયા મેથડથી પ્રોડ્યુસ કરવામાં આવે છે, બરાબર. સો મેથડ ઓફ પ્રોડક્શન્સ, પછી જે ફિગરની અંદર આપણને બતાવેલી છે કે મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ ફ્લો શીટ જે છે એ બતાવેલી છે. સેકન્ડ થિંગ ઇઝ દેટ chemical reactions and what should be the raw material. Okay, so chemical reaction is 2 moles of calcium phosphate is react with 10 mole of carbon and 6 mole of silicon oxide SiO2, and it gives a yellowish formation of phosphate, which is P4 plus the other raw material, which gives calcium silicate and 10 mole of carbon monoxide. Okay, so second reaction is yellowish grade of रेड फॉस्फेट, येलो फॉस्फेट जो होता है उसको क्या करना होता है, विच इज़ अप्लाइंग अ हीट, विच इज़ नीड टू अप्लाई द हीट टू द yellowish phosphate, so it gives red phosphate, and the temperature range it should be about 250 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius. And what about the raw materials? And raw materials are low grade crust, phosphate rocks, and coke at a reductant, and sand as a flux. Okay, so low grade जो होता है फॉस्फेट उस तरह से चल जाएगा, मतलब प्रोसेस के लिए यूज़ हो सकता है. एज वेल crust phosphate rock, then coke as a reductant and sand as a flux. And these are the basic requirements. Okay, this will be only an informative only. We have to need for the process description, and remember this one. So before we start the uh, phosphate, these are the flow sheet of phosphate. Okay, these are the production flow sheet of phosphorus pentoxide, phosphoric acid by electric furnace method. Okay, जो इलेक्ट्रिक फर्नेस मेथड है उस मेथड से प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है. So this phosphoric acid, this production flow sheet is also required. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ फॉस्फरस जो है इसमें से पेंट्रोक्साइड और फॉस्फोरिक एसिड, तो वो आपके सिलेबस में दिया गया है. सो लेट अस सी फर्स्ट फॉस्फरस कहाँ से हमको मिलता है. तो लेट्स सी रेड फॉस्फरस स्टोरेज. ओके, जो ये प्रोसेस है पूरा यहाँ है. सो दिस विल बी જે આ ફર્સ્ટ ઉપરની પ્રોસેસ છે ને, તો એ ઉપરની પ્રોસેસની અંદરથી આપણે પહેલાં તો 3 પ્રોડક્ટ ક્યાં ક્યાં મળે છે આપણે જોઈએ. બરાબર, તો કે રેડ ફોસ્ફેટ અહીંયા મળે છે. બરાબર, રેડ ફોસ્ફરસ સ્ટોરેજ એટલે કે રેડ ફોસ્ફરસ અહીંયા મળે છે. બીજું છે ફોસ્ફોરિક એસિડ, તો કે આ પ્રોસેસથી મળે છે. અને ત્રીજું કે જે છે આપણું ફર્સ્ટ અહીંયા છે રેડ ફોસ્ફરસ ફોસ્ફોરિક એસિડ, અને બીજું અહીંયા મળે છે ફોસ્ફોરિક એનહાઇડ્રસ, એટલે કે ફોસ્ફરસ એનહાઇડ્રસ અથવા તો ફોસ્ફોરિક એસિડ જે છે, બરાબર, પેન્ટ્રોક્સાઇડ. તો એ ફોસ્ફરસ પેન્ટ્રોક્સાઇડ જે P2O5 જે કહીએ છીએ ને તે, બરાબર, તો એ અહીંયા મળે છે આપણને. સો વી હેવ ટુ રિક્વાયર્ડ ઓનલી ધ પ્રોસેસ ઓફ ફોસ્ફરસ. તો ફોસ્ફરસ કઈ પ્રોસેસથી મળે છે? ફર્સ્ટ પ્રોસેસ છે ને તેમાંથી મળે છે. બરાબર, સો ફર્સ્ટ પ્રોસેસ વિલ બી સ્ટાર્ટેડ થ્રુ હિયર ટોપ ઓફ ધી પોર્શન, જેની અંદરથી ફોસ્ફેટ રોકને નાખવામાં આવે છે, અને ફોસ્ફેટ રોક ઇઝ કન્વર્ટેડ ઇન્ટુ ધ સ્મોલેસ્ટ રોક એઝ વેલ એઝ ઇટ વિલ બી કન્વર્ટેડ ઇન્ટુ ધ સ્મોલર પાર્ટિકલ. ઓકે, સો ત્યાં શું હશે? ગ્રિન્ડર હશે. સો વિચ ઇઝ યુઝડ એઝ અ ગ્રિન્ડર that can be remove particles size. Okay, then further procedure is to do for electrostatic precipitators and other things. Okay, so this process descriptions and flow pattern we will discuss in the next lecture.